Hello and welcome to OO Project Weekly video in which we're making Apache Overkill. Haider Raza will now define his work for this week. Let's have a look.
What we did so far is that we included the L texture function that had alpha blending in it in the main file of 1948. We used the main same old code that we were using before. We declared alpha and we started two counters. So far what we've done is that we've managed to integrate that alpha blending part into the main 1948 code that we were using for the main game that we had in mind. However, I right now am not really dealing with the frames, but what I did so far is that I managed to integrate it into the main code. As I said earlier, that I was going to make a separate class and make the L screen an object, but I figured that then an easier way was to somehow find a way to not make another class, but use it in the same old class, and that's what we did. What I did was I included a new L texture function and made it in render called render with a small r, and this time we used included another argument in it, which was and introduced it in the same code. And my main concern was that this render function took few arguments. I was actually over convinced to use it in the code that we had initially. And then making the counter, I decided after making the counter, we included it into the main game, and this is how it works for now. Since I am not really focusing on frames right now, although I should, this is how it appears, but I think I'll be able to sort it out sooner than I think, and this should work. But for now, our splash screen is almost done.
So that's that. What I did this week is to create two different explosion classes. Two because I wanted different animations for different events such as bullet and exploding enemy helicopters. Apart from that, I made backgrounds as objects. It's there and loading. Since I just did this, I'm now wondering how should I reposition those images when they are out of these screens. A little thinking is required, though it's not that hard. I'll be doing that later. The basic work here is done. The main topic of focus for me should be airplane collision, health bar and score, and the intuition behind how will I be changing the different stages of this game. Those are the things for me to worry about right now. I guess that's that. So far so good. Later.